Remember, all I do is numbers, and I did this in my last video, okay? What did I call the last video? Well, that's a very good question. I think I called the last video Box Star, okay? I called the last video Box Star. So now what I'm going to show you now, okay, is at the end of the video, if you wait to the 10th minute, you'll see this equation, 6 plus and minus 3. Inside the 6 cube, okay? Inside the 6 cube is 3 missing, 3 ghosts, and inside the 3 is 6 ghosts, okay? The left and right angles, okay? Remove the 3 section. So what we have is 9, 3, 8, 4, 7, 5 is 12. It becomes 10 and 2 is where it begins. 105, 102 begins in Venus. The life begins in Venus. This is an explanation. 102 is an explanation. It says that within 2 is 1. Within one circle, they are all together. It is like a gene. It's all together. A, B, and O. They're all together. 1 and 2 is inside of 0. Okay, but don't forget there's a different 0. There's different levels of 0. So we have 1 and 2, or 101 plus 102 equals to 103. But let's not do it. 10 is JB. Okay, 10 times 2 is 20. 9 by 3 is 27. 8 by 4 is 32. 7 by 5, they're all 12s. Plus 7, plus 5, plus 3. 3, 5, 7 is rotation. 3, 5, 7 is rotation, so it comes in at 7, 5, 3. 5 and 5 is 10. Makes 1. 3 and 7, 7 and 3 makes 1, 1, 1. This is your rotation movement. But this one will automatically get 6. So it's between, this area is between 20 and 26, and between 14 and 20, it is split. Every time you have a 0, we get a split. Just like over here, we build. See this piece over here, this block in the center? This block in the center gets 1 piece, okay, of the 4. It gets 1 piece out of the 4. It gets 1 piece out of the 4. It gets 1 piece out of the 4. It owns 4. It owns one of these, plus it owns 2 high in the middle, 2 high in the top, 2 high on each side. It owns 2, 4, 6, 8, plus it owns 1, 2, 3, 4, because it owns a block inside the 4. This is 3 out of 4, 3 out of 4, 3 out of 4, 3 out of 4. If this was 1 and 9, if this was 1 and 9, just like this, 1 and 9 in the corner, just like this, on your phone, well, if you want to go 7 and 3 because it's a calculator, not your phone. If this is 7 and 3, 10, or 1 and 9, 10. Okay, irregardless, these two come together, they make 6 out of 8. When these two come together making 6 out of 8, the center gets 1, 2, and 1, because it gets 1 and 1 of each of you, and 1 of its own. The difference between 1 and 2. This is the block of the cross that connects everything together. Okay, it's very simple and basic. If you want to run into this into the 9 house, because once you do this, this center becomes the 9 house. These become the 4 houses. 9 and 4, 9 and 4, 9 and 4, 9 and 4, which is actually 9 and 3, 9 and 3, 9 and 3, 9 and 3. 12, 12, 12, and 12. 48. 6 by 8 is 48, 9 lives of the cat. It's very simple. It's how you build it. The art, my friends. This is what I see. We read inside the art. We don't understand ancient words, but because of the art with the words and the colors to the way we understand it today, and because of the continuation and the repetition of what you see as the same story and what others see, that's what you tend to believe and understand. Raphael, 7286, in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for understanding, for listening. Do you like it in there? It's my son's room. You can see almost right through. I don't know if you can see the window here. No? Wrong way. See, the window doesn't shine all the way through. But anyways, Raphael, inside the house today, and it's nice and sunny. Thank you for watching.